Subscribe for more feminine styles, self-care, self-image, and self-growth. Hi guys, I'm Gia, for those of you who haven't watched me, but for my subscribers who have been watching, I just wanted to create some big announcements, just a little updates and news. So first things first, I have so many goals this year. It's already March. I feel like it's already flying by. I had a video that was supposed to be scheduled out for today, but I just wanted to post this instead and let you guys know. Yeah, I know you're not supposed to talk about your goals, but here are things that I already started. I guess I completed and have launched some new things. So first things first is I have 4 announcements. So the reason I'm posting and telling you guys this is because I want to remain consistent in keeping them up and holding myself accountable by sharing it with you guys, and tasks become easier and automatic, blah blah blah, when I think about them all the time, and I have to share it with you because it's been on my mind for over a year now. So announcement number 1 is I rebranded my blog completely differently. I moved some things around. What is different? There's 3 things that are different. So 1, I officially added my storefront to my blog, so you can shop for, let me see here, you can shop for my feminine outfits that I post all the time on Like to Know It, LTK. I'll get into more of that later. So feminine outfits, skin and body care, wellness, books, my Poshmark, and then I have free downloads on there, but my storefront is open. So just go check out giagdixon.com, and you should totally subscribe and sign up to my weekly newsletter. So everything that you can shop is stuff I've mentioned on this channel. You can shop there directly, and everything I share there, I share here. But on there is even more detailed stuff, and you get more of my thoughts on there too, because I can't sit on the camera and talk for 2 hours because you guys would be bored. But then second, I just cleaned up my website because it was just so overwhelming. You couldn't focus on where to look. There was so much going on. Third, I show my face more, so I'm thinking of backing out and slowing down on the stock footage, and I noticed my content does way better and you guys stick around longer when I show my face, and so my $1 million smile is all over my website now. Announcement number 2, my 2022 words and phrases of the year are self-control, simplify, and streamline. So this year I got rid of a bunch of frivolous stuff, meaning physical items like clothes, even furniture, and just stuff I don't need everywhere, like bathroom, skincare products, whatever. And since I have a capsule wardrobe of quality clothes that I'm gonna create like a series of videos on, because I have so much going on there, and a capsule wardrobe really takes a lot of time and curation. But you know, I have my seasonal styles that you see, and I'll get into that some more. But I reopened my Poshmark store. So I have a video coming out on all things Poshmark, how to have a successful Poshmark store, how I made over $2,000 without even trying on Poshmark. And so on my Poshmark store, I think the reason why it was so successful was because, 1, I understood the market, and a lot of the things are just stuff that are basically new. So a lot of things still have the tag on. I've only worn once, or I've never worn before, because I have like serious impulsive buying issues. And now I'm getting better, and I actually stopped shopping for a couple of years because I focused on my business. And you can shop my Poshmark here, and be sure to give this a like and comment below if you have a Poshmark what your handle is, so, and also what type of clothes that you sell, so other people can see it, other people can connect with you and follow you on Poshmark, because I have over 20,000 followers on Poshmark, and I share stuff all the time, to the point that Poshmark thinks that I am a bot. So leave your handle, give this a like, leave this in the comments, and other people will find you too. Announcement number 3, I'm officially making the shift, and I'm also like not 100% sure. I'm still gonna post self-care, self-image, and self-growth on here. Obviously, I have a lot of book reviews coming out. So everyone I know has been telling me to do this for years now, but I'm officially kind of pivoting into fashion. So I have a whole series. I have so much work cut out for me as it is, but I have a whole series coming out called 7 weekly 7 weekly outfit ideas for feminine style inspiration. And every single week I'm going to post 7 weekly outfit ideas. You can shop them directly on YouTube, and you can also see the full blog post on my blog with a lot more details that I talk about, and all my ensembles, etc. And also my LTK, or like to know, is getting revamped. So it's the official house of all things feminine, all my styles that I post every single day, all my daily outfits and beauty and books even, and self-care. So you can shop my feed. It's all linked below. You can follow me on LTK. For those of you who don't know what LTK is or like to know it, it's a website where, or sorry, it's a free app that you download and you press a picture. You don't even know how, you don't even have to know how things work. Just press the picture. And if you see like a cute item, like a pair of shoes, so a beautiful dress, a jacket, whatever it is the person is wearing in the picture, click the picture and links of that item will pop up so that you can shop directly from that store, get the item new, get it in your size, get it, yeah. So you can follow my like to know it for feminine and glamorous styles below, and daily like just regular feminine styles. I don't wear a lot of jeans, but just check it out. Press the link below, you'll see what I mean. Announcement, excuse me. Announcement number 4 is the weekly glow up. I created this newsletter that every single week you get all of these fantastic things. Sorry, I cannot speak. Like once I get in front of the camera, I cannot talk. But when I'm like by myself, pretending, like rehearsing in my room by myself, I nail it. But then like turn record on, and it's out the window. But so the weekly glow up is where you get everything straight to your inbox. So you don't have to hop onto my YouTube all the time. You don't have to like see my channel and update and binge. You don't have to go on my blog all the time when it comes to it coming directly to your inbox. So it comes to you automatically every single week, sometimes twice a week. So, but for sure, every single week you're gonna get updates on all the latest news, weekly glow up tips, sales to shop, 7 weekly outfit ideas, the works, and how to connect with me, how to stay, basically how to like be, I cannot talk, how to progress in your inner and outer beauty. So your brain's obviously intellectually stimulating conversation and all the ways to glow up here and outside, whether it be your self-image, where like how to be more beautiful naturally without makeup, and just how to dress up, and like all the ways to make your skin glow so that you don't have to wear makeup as much as you think you need. So all of that gonna be straight to your inbox, and I have been testing out, and you have no idea the feedback I've been getting on these emails. All of my subscribers, okay, let me break it down. 13% of my subscribers are in love with this, and that's a pretty good conversion rate, and I'm really happy with it. So sign up to the link below to get the glow up with me, babe. Receive self-care and glow up tips straight to your inbox. It's linked below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing and following me on this endless journey. Your support is endlessly appreciated. You have a new video coming out tomorrow. I think you have a video every single day this week. So I'm also going to try to post more on YouTube Shorts, like the actual like statuses and posts now. It's hard to keep up with that, but I'd rather just post like a full long form video and send things straight to your inbox. So check out the links below. There's a ton of links. I know this is a lot. So check out those announcements. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.